One day I aspired to obtain my degree with exceptional marks. However, achieving satisfactory grades would also be acceptable, if not top-notch. My aspiration is to become a member of teaching community, despite lacking ample experience, as it will contribute to my educational growth. As my aspirations is to pursue a career within the government, especially in the area of counseling, as it is my ultimate goal to obtain the necessary certification to become a professional counselor. In addition, my primary aim is to prioritize my professional development by acquiring extensive knowledge and gaining practically experience, assuming I possess ample expertise and understanding. I aim allocate my funds toward the establishment of an efficient facility. However, I find myself in a dilemma because as I aspire to create two different variants of a facility, one house inside a conventional structure and another within a mobile space akin to a traveling book repository. Each counseling session will be built to the best of our ability, but ultimately the amount you choose to pay is at our discretion. Moreover, my objective is to accumulate sufficient funds for the acquisition of a piece of property. My future plan is construct residence and cultivate landscape of the property. Upon completion of the garden, is my aspiration to construct a petit abode for the purpose of overseeing the cultivation. Ideally, I hope to utilize my garden as a means of generation revenue for others, and I am interested in embarking on a spiritual pilgrimage to Jerusalem with my parents, or alternatively exploring various vacation in Indonesia together. There are my objectives that I aspire.